Two smart doorbells, two different strengths. Which one fits your home best? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the Secrui Wireless Doorbell and the Avantek Wireless Doorbell to see which one offers better smart home security. From build quality to smart features and performance, we'll break down the key differences to help you choose the right one. Let's dive in. Comparative analysis. The Secrui Wireless Doorbell features durable ABS plastic with an IP55 rated push button, making it highly weather resistant. The Avantek Doorbell uses solid plastic with an IP44 rated button, offering basic splash protection but slightly less rugged. Secrui offers a strong 433 MHz RF signal with a range up to 1,000 feet, ideal for large homes, while Avantek supports up to 800 feet, suitable for smaller spaces. Secrui comes with two receivers, adjustable volume up to approximately 120 decibels, 32 to 58 melodies, and LED alerts. Avantek typically includes one or two receivers with lower maximum volume, approximately 110 decibels, and fewer melody options. The Secrui Wireless Doorbell typically uses a battery-powered push button with a plug-in receiver for quick setup and cable-free operation, while the Avantek Wireless Doorbell also relies on a battery-powered transmitter and plug-in receiver system focused on simple installation and low power consumption. The Secrui Wireless Doorbell became widely available around 2020, with pricing generally ranging between $20 to $35 depending on the kit configuration and number of receivers included. On the other hand, the Avantek Wireless Doorbell gained popularity around 2018 and is commonly priced between $25 to $45 depending on range, receiver count, and feature package. The Secrui Wireless Doorbell is ideal for users who need strong wireless coverage, reliable signal performance, and louder alerts for larger homes or multi-room environments, while the Avantek Wireless Doorbell is better suited for apartments or smaller homes where simple installation and everyday wireless convenience are the main priorities. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.